If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Everybody knows that small Stanley wet-dry vacuums are great for small messes, but they're built to take on the bigger messes too, making it perfect for picking up pet hair, drywall dust, debris, and more. That's not even the half of it. Remove the blue cloth filter and/or dust bag, attach the foam filter, and you're ready to pick up all those spills that would normally take up an entire roll of paper towels. Don't cry over spilled milk. Clean it up quick with a Stanley wet-dry vacuum. Many Stanley wet-dry vacuums feature a high-performance blower port, perfect for blowing leaves off the patio. You can even use the inflator kit to turn your vacuum into a custom tool for quickly inflating your air mattress. What about cold ash cleanup? Well, the Stanley Shop-Vac is just the tool you need to clean out your fireplace, grill, and bonfire pits. Stanley Tools, performance in action.
Innovation. That's what makes Vacmaster different. From the beginning, we questioned everything about what superior performance meant in a wet-dry vac. And we found that what both pros and homeowners really want is faster, cleaner, easier, quieter. Simply put, mastery over any mess, big or small. So where others chose to settle, Vacmaster chose to reinvent the wet-dry vac category to build something better. We built in unrivaled airflow technology, re-engineered for more suction and speed, redesigned every detail for more convenient use. Because true mastery is many things in harmony, and that's where Vacmaster excels. The result isn't just another wet-dry vac, it's unprecedented suction power and performance. It's award-winning, industry-leading, and no one else can offer what Vacmaster pioneered. Innovative solutions to master any mess.